Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aries fire sign, and this is weekly, and this reading is from May 16th to May 23rd. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what happened in your connection past, Aries. Aries fire sign. So let's see what happened in your connection past. 9 of Swords, 7 of Swords, the Devil. Oh, I think your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or you could be. I think there is lot of negativity in your connection in past. Definitely the Devil. I think you both obsessed with each other, and I think your person could be addicted to some bad habits. There is some sneaky energy, definitely, and I think one person in this connection not sleeping at night and thinking about a lot about this relationship. Definitely it is not good in past. So let's see what happening in your connection right now, Aries. I think your person could be Capricorn. Page of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, okay, Knight of Pentacles. Definitely message is coming in your way. Definitely you will receive message. Things are turning in your favor, Aries. I think your person want to come towards you, Knight of Pentacles, and want to offer this pentacle to you, but it is slow but stable offer. Definitely things are turning in your favor right now, and your person want to communicate you, and your person may be popular, good looking, or you are maybe younger than you. So your person in your future actions towards you, Aries. The World, Queen of Pentacles, Six of Swords. Yes, definitely some cycles are going to be end. The World, I think the energy between both of you becomes stable, and Six of Swords, definitely the disputes are going to be settled. Six of Swords, and I think you both could be in long distance relationship. One person living in one city and the other person living in another city, definitely. So I think some toxic cycles are going to be end. Definitely things are turning in your favor. So communication is coming. So let's pull some cards from universe. Aries, Tower, Eight of Swords, Seven of Wands, and the last card for the reading, Six of Cups. You both feel this connection between each other, definitely strong soulmate and past life connection, and one person don't give up on this connection, Seven of Wands, but one person is stuck, blindfolded, not seeing. The Tower, definitely there is some Tower movement is happened in your life, already happened. So I think in near future definitely some positive will happen, because in past there is some negative and Tower movement, whatever may be happened, your person stuck, but your person don't want to give up on this connection. Definitely disputes are going to be resolved, so you don't worry. Definitely you both have strong soulmate ties between both of you. So definitely your person want to work on this relationship, definitely. So it will take time, so be patient. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.